Hello everyone, welcome back to AK Coding. Today is the 14th day of learning HTML. In this video lesson, we are going to review all the things that you have learned before within 14 days. If you're ready, let's get started. So, today I have already created a small web page using HTML. As you can see here, I have created lesson14.html. So, as you can see here, some of codes I have written before the tags which we used in the previous videos, and I have commented. So today is HTML basics and features and some review. So regarding HTML basics and features, so as you can see here, we have a header which is the HTML5s of the tag, and inside we have h1 and navbar, and instead of navbar we have anchor tags for like SEO, iframes, HTML semantics, media elements, forms, tables, lists, images, links, text, everything, right? So and after that, after the header, we have an introduction, which is the section, and this is also one of the meta elements. So section, we have an ID which is called introduction, and we have written, I have written in H2 the text which is introduction, and we have HTML. Instead of HTML, we have a strong tag in our p tag, right? And it's like this. So let's see in the browser the result. So as you can see, here is our thing. So this navbar works as we written. For example, if I press SEO, it goes to SEO. You see, basic SEO with HTML, and that's it. So it means we are putting the ID to that place. For example, we have an ID which is called introduction, and we are just placing to href just introduction. And next, for example, we have text formatting, and we have doing for text formatting, and that's it. It's working like this. So in this situation, like even if I press any kind of links, it goes to the, it slides to that, slide down to that page, to that text or to that ID. So we have an introduction. This is written in H2, right? This is paragraph, and inside paragraph we have a strong tag, which is formatting texts of tag, and we have text and formatting. So instead of our text and formatting, we have section, right? The section is covering the other text, which is H2 for the title, and paragraph for subtitle, and we have UL, which is unordered list for lists. For example, we have strong, which is bold, right? Bold text, EM, which is italic text, and Li, like inside of Li we have the tag we used code in order to make it like this. So these are actually the HTML icons, which is this one is this, LT1 is this. So you have understood this, right? So we'll continue here, and we have a form we have written before, which is a form, and we have inside of our form labels like name, input, right, which is the required attribute there is, ID, text, everything. And also we have a label again, and input, breaks, that's all. So, and after that we have a media elements, which are again section is coming in order to divide the sections, right, which is this one in the browser, like media elements. Which one? This one, right? So we have already saw others too. So we have seen also, oh, I'm sorry. Okay. So we have seen this one, right? And after that, we have links and navigation. So let's go back to links and navigation. Inside of our links and navigation, we have, for example, if I press on this, it whisks to Google, because we can see here, right, the HTTPS, and it's opening at google.com. Okay, so we are putting into anchor tag href https www.google.com, and we have an attribute which is target blank, which opens in a new window. So next we have an image. So into the image you can put any image, but I didn't put it, just I did it like this from placeholder.com. And we have also, we used for this image tag, right? And next one is lists, which is the lists of unordered lists, so which is UL and or OL. So I don't need to explain this because you know, and you know what is UL and what's OL and what is LI. And next one we have a section which is tables. So inside of our tables we have H2. For title and subtitle we have P, and we are using table. For example, we are using border one, right, in order to make a border, and we have a table row, table head, and inside of our next table row we have table data. So next we have forms. So forms, I have explained how it's working. And next we have a media elements. Media elements, as you can see here, we have audio, like video, and that's it. So audio and video, we can put it here, just a sample audio MP3 and sample video MP4, which is not playable because I'm not putting a valid audio and video here, so you can replace it. And the last one is HTML semantics, which is this one, HTML semantics. So in HTML semantics, I have taught you about some semantic tags, right? So we have header, footer, articles, so as you can see here, and we have an iframe, which is the iframe from Google Map, from YouTube. We can do it like this. And the last one is basic SEO with HTML, so which is the title, meta tags, and attribute text. So I think you have learned a lot about HTML and what HTML we are using for a web page. But it's a simple web page, as you can see, but it's not like designed. But we can make more designs with CSS in the next playlist. So I am going to push this. You can take this codes, all of them, from lesson 1 until lesson 14. You can take from GitHub, from my GitHub. So if you visit to github.com, you can see here there is my personal GitHub account. So if you go to my repository place, you can easily see HTML lessons. So I will put the link for this under the comments. So if you have any further questions, just comment below. I will try to respond. And thanks for watching. Share with your friends. I hope in the next videos we'll meet.